I can love you with my eyes closed.
Hey kittens! So today is Friday and I am going out with my friend Megan today. We're going to Menchies. Sean actually celebrated because I was leaving the house. He's so mean. I'm just kidding. So I'm excited to get out. So I'll catch you guys soon. Adios kittens. Hey kittens, say hi Megan. We're at Rita'S getting our stuff.
I'm so excited.
I know. And they have the 5-layer gelati. So y'all go to Rita'S, get y'all 5-layer gelati. I'm getting the Swedish Fish kind, and Megan is getting the
Chocolate and vanilla, of course. Kimberly's gonna be jealous. She loves Rita'S.
Aww.
Begs every time that she comes up, can we go to Rita'S? I need to take her. Now I feel really bad.
You're fine. So yeah, so we're here. We just ordered, and once we get our stuff, I'll be back. So see you guys. Guys, we got a Rita'S. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm just kidding. It's so good. I'm not even kidding. You have to get the 5-layer gelati.
Delicious.
Yes. We're sorry, Kimmy.
I'm sorry, Kimberly. I promise I'll take you up next time. Yeah, I promise.
We owe you. But all right, we gonna grow up. So we'll see you guys. Adios.
So I think it's really important to be able to like hear people out and discuss it, and show that you have a love for one another, and that even though opinions can differ, you still talk to one another in a respectful manner. So I think that when we'll talk about stuff, there are a lot of good points brought up, and it gives me a different perspective that I'm not used to, because so I don't think it's good to talk about hard topics. Sometimes I feel a little awkward, but
Yeah.
I think it's good too, and people shouldn't just put it under the rug.
Right. Megan for president, guys. Oh my gosh.
I wish.
No.
I'm kidding.
No, Megan is fine.
First female president. Whoop whoop.
Yes. Speak it into existence. We
You
were
never
so
know.
close. We were so close.
You never know.
I was so depressed about the detainment camps and stuff, and just hearing all these horror stories about how the children are actually being taken away from their parents. I'm like, come on. Why are you taking it that far?
I actually didn't know a lot about it. I had to research about it because Eli was telling me. And I'm like, what's going on? Because I don't really get on the I don't really watch the news a whole lot. So I saw one thing on Facebook, and so I had asked him about it because he was doing research on it. And it is sad because I still don't know everything about it and what the whole process is, but that is going to psychologically really impair, I think, a lot of children. So I think they definitely go about doing a lot of things a lot better.
Sorry, I would be so angry. Where's my mother? Where's my father? Where's my brother? Where's my cat? Where's my home? Come on.
Yeah, I would think that they'd be very scared. Definitely. Now, why are they? I'm just curious. Why were they taking the kids specifically? They weren't wanting to send them back with them because of the type of environment. I didn't understand why.
Yeah, that part doesn't make sense to me. Because at first I was like, okay, take the parent, because the parent is illegal, and I thought the fact that the student was in school, they'd be okay. But I don't know why they're also punishing the child. I feel like if you're gonna, that sounds bad. I was gonna say if you're gonna do it, then go ahead and let the family go as one unit.
Oh, I get what you mean.
But
oh yeah, they could have definitely handled it a lot better than that. Well, for sure, 100%. You gotta think of it this way: no matter what you had done or what your thought process is in that moment, or where you're from or whatever, whether you were illegal or you were legally here, doesn't matter. You're a parent first, and I feel like if you were in that situation, how would you feel if your children were pulled away from you? And I'm like, could you imagine them coming and being like, Nathaniel and Cassidy are out of here. We have no idea when you're gonna see them. Just say your goodbyes.
No.
That's pretty intense. because I know some people were saying, well, they're just trying to do what's best for the kids. Like, they want to give them like this health care. They want to do good for them. And I'm like, taking them from their parents is not a good thing.
Yeah.
That's very damaging.
Exactly.
Very damaging.
That doesn't make sense.
We'll pay for them.
Yeah.
For all of them.
Rita'S, girl. Mm.
He's being nice to me.
Good job, Bobby. Good man.
Cat?
Yeah. Yes, Sean. Cobra.
Yeah, he just did a little flop.
No, don't do that trick.
Oh my gosh.
He's not afraid. He's not afraid of it yet. He has to learn.
Yeah.
Discipline.
Yeah.
They're so cute.
Because they're coming over tomorrow.
Yes, I do believe so. Tomorrow night and Sunday night, I think.
Okay.
So. He's the cutest little thing ever. He's good. He's the cutest baby in the world. I don't know just saying that because he's gonna but he is.
Abram is cute. Yeah.
He is. His sister though, it's funny. I think Abram looks like Kimberly and Austin. Oh my gosh, Aedith looks like Austin. I think.
Really?
Yeah. She's got the dark hair and her like skin tone is a little different. But she, and like her facial expressions, she makes his facial expressions pick up on a lot of stuff. They do. I wonder how Eli and his kids are going to turn out. Oh my gosh. I'm curious. I can't wait to see. Oh my gosh. They're going to be crazy.
Cute. Oh my
Yeah, I know,
goodness.
they're going to be so cute. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I hope they have his dark curly hair. And his mom is talking about how she would really like if one of them had blue eyes.
Oh.
I want at least 3 kids though, I think.
Really?
Just 3.
Just 3. What about you guys? 1, 2.
None.
Yeah, I don't, Megan, I don't know.
Oh,
1 for real?
Say what?
I think we can handle
No, we
1
need
kid.
2. They gotta preoccupy themselves.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Go play with your brother.
Yeah.
That is true. That is
That'd be
helpful.
true. Yeah.
It benefits everyone, right?
It might suck in the beginning, 2 crying kids at the exact same time, but eventually.
And we might have twins.
Huh?
We might have twins,
Oh,
remember?
yeah, that's right.
Yo quiero un baby.
Oh, te quieres un bebé?
Did I say it wrong? Is it too cute?
No. I was saying you. You said it right.
Okay,
Like
yes.
I want. Yeah.
I tell Eli that and he goes, no.
It's Spanish, Megan. It makes me happy.
I'm trying.
Yeah.
Comida. No, it's like when him and his mom are speaking to one another in Spanish, it's like I pick up on stuff and like I kind of get the gist of what they're saying, but I could never repeat it. Like I don't know.
Yeah.
Like if she's saying, "Hey, I think you need to go take out the trash or something," I'm like, "Oh, I think I get what she's saying, but I don't know how to repeat that." That's what he's saying to me in Spanish before.
Really?
Yeah.
Aww.
Go ahead, Eli.
I know.
Serenading.
Yeah, whenever I get upset, he starts speaking to me in Spanish.
Aww.
He knows it works. I'm like, dang it. Dang it. It's such a beautiful language that like
It
every
is very
time I'm like,
pretty.
blah, 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 I'll just be like, oh, what does he say? Oh, mi reina.
Oh, my queen.
Yeah,
Yeah.
his queen and mi corazon. Blah, 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 blah. I'm just like, so cute. What was I mad about? It's so
Aw.
bad. It's so bad. Yeah, he's cute. I can't wait to marry him.